Hi everyone. In this video we are going to talking about how can I find the size of array using pointer hack. तो मैं आपके सामने फिर से मेहताब साहब, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स कंसीडर एन अरे. ये हमारे पास क्या है, एक अरे है. इसका साइज क्या है, साइज पता नहीं है, तो मान लेते हैं कि जस्ट समझने के लिए कि इसमें इंटीजर एलिमेंट स्टोर है. ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ARR? ARR is the pointer of the first element. Okay, if I see out this statement, see out ARR, let's consider it is the address of this first element XYZ. If I talk about this thing, if I also see out this thing, it will give the same answer. Okay, yes, it will give the same answer. It's mean this thing is equal? No. Why? Because it is the address of whole array. Yes, address of whole array. Address of whole array. Yes, and it is the address of the first element. And you know very well that if I add 1 in pointer, let's consider n pointer plus 1. It's not mean that I am incrementing by 1 byte. It is mean that I am incrementing by 4 byte because the size of the integer is 4 byte. Okay, so that's why if I incrementing in this scenario, it's not mean that I am incrementing by 1 byte. It's mean that I am incrementing by the whole size of array. So that's why this thing pointing just after this array. Okay, now just removing this, and we have seen that this is the array. ARR is pointing this thing, and ARR plus 1 it is pointing this thing after just. And how can I find this size of array? So first of all, here is the one. First of all, see this thing. If I just decrease by this, okay, इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर हम इसमें से इसको घटा देते हैं तो साइज ऑफ अरे मिल जाएगा. यस, लेकिन एक बात ध्यान रखना, the type of this thing is int bracket star, but the type of this thing is int star. Both are different thing. Why? Because it is the pointer of an element of array, but it is the pointer of an array, and we cannot subtract them. So changing the type of this into this, we have to dereferencing it. Whenever you dereference this thing, it means type of this thing become int star, and now I can subtract them. So subtracting minus this thing, this is the size of our array. Okay, this is the final thing, and you can check this and verify this. By the way, I will see you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.